In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on Snapchat so that nobody knows where you are. So basically, open up Snapchat, and if you go to this map and if I say locate me, Snapchat just won't know where I am at currently. But to share that information, you want to allow it, in which you basically go to your settings, you search up for Snapchat, find it, location, and then you can say always while using the app, or ask next time when I share. If I say always or while using the app, as you can see, it will exactly know where I am and your other friends will know where you are. Another thing you can do is go to the top right on the gear selector and then you can enable ghost mode. Now you can see your location, but your friends won't be able to see your live location, but you can say my friends accept, or only these people can see my live location. Also, you can share it with a specific people, like share live, and then exactly know where you are at any given time. So if you want to again disable it, you can just go to here and say location never, or if you want to do it inside the app, go to your profile, go to your setting, scroll down until you see additional services, click on permissions, click on location. You can't click on location because it's already enabled, but if I disable it like so, then I need to click on tab to enable, and that's how you know that at the moment your location is not available on Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.